You may still have options if the city or a private snowplow causes damages. You may have options if the city or a private snowplow cause damage to your vehicle. What kind of options do you have? Well, you have options to get compensation for your vehicle. If your vehicle is a work vehicle and you can't use it for work, you can get compensation to reimburse you for the lost wages, for example, your lost profits if you're a small business. If you're in the vehicle and you're injured because a snowplow hits you and spins you around or what have you, you may have options to go after the snowplow for your medical bills, your pain and suffering, your lost wages, your loss of enjoyment of life. So you really have to understand who caused this and then what you can get from the at-fault party. Why is the who important? Well, the who is important because of timelines. If it's the city, you may have to file a certain circumstances of claim document, a notice document within 120 days of the incident taking place. That's only a few months, so you got to get on top of that right away. The other option is if it's a private snowplow, well, who? Who is the private snowplow? Was it a third party? Was it somebody who's using their own snowplow? Was it a snowplow that was working for some other company as an independent contractor? Those are all questions that you have to understand so you know who to go after properly to get the compensation that you deserve. If you have questions about this, let us know. This is something we handle all too often here. Nowadays, it's middle of January, and we see a lot of these injuries, a lot of these damages that are occurring because, sadly, we live in Wisconsin. So most of the time, it's great that we live in Wisconsin, but sometimes when you're getting into the doldrums of 3 inches here or 4 inches there, it's negative 20 one day, it's positive 40 the next day, and it's a mess out there. And then you have a snowplow that runs into your car. It's the last thing you want to deal with. We're here to help you understand all your options, hopefully guide you through this in a less stressful fashion, and give you the compensation that you deserve under the laws of Wisconsin when you suffer these kind of injuries.